Think you can't grow veggies in the shade? Think again. You lot think just because a patch of land doesn't see the bloody sun all day, it's useless? Well, you're wrong. Some of the tastiest, most nutritious vegetables thrive in a bit of shade. That's right, you heard me. Shade-loving vegetables exist. And they're not just a load of old rubbish. In fact, growing in the shade can be a right treat. It means less watering, fewer pests, and slower bolting, so you can enjoy your harvest for longer. So, if you've got a shady spot in your garden that's been sitting there like a lazy donkey, it's time to get off your backside and turn it into a bloody vegetable haven. First up, we've got spinach. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins and minerals. And the best part? It thrives in cool, shady conditions. That's right, this isn't some fussy sun-worshipping diva. Spinach laughs in the face of shade. Give it rich, well-drained soil and watch it flourish. You can practically hear this stuff growing. It's that vigorous. Harvest the leaves regularly for salads, smoothies, or even wilt it down with a knob of butter for a simple side dish. Just don't overcook it. You don't want a slimy mess on your plate. Next, we've got kale, the king of the superfoods. This leafy warrior is packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and enough fiber to keep you regular. And guess what? It loves a bit of shade, especially during the hottest parts of the day. Plant your kale in moist, well-drained soil and watch it reach for the sky, or at least your knees. You can enjoy this versatile veggie in salads, smoothies, or even roast it with a drizzle of olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Just don't burn it, you donkey. Chapter 3. Now let's talk about lettuce. This one's a no-brainer for shade gardens. It's easy to grow, doesn't need much sun, and comes in a variety of textures and flavors. From crisp romaine to buttery Boston, there's a lettuce out there for every palate. Sow your lettuce seeds in moist, well-drained soil, and make sure they get a bit of morning sun. Keep the soil consistently moist, and you'll be rewarded with an abundance of fresh, crisp lettuce for your salads and sandwiches. It's so simple. Even you lot can't mess it up. Chapter 4. Next up, we've got Swiss chard, the culinary chameleon of the vegetable world. This versatile veggie can be used in countless dishes, from stir-fries and soups to frittatas and quiches. And the best part? It thrives in partial shade, making it a top contender for your shady garden. Plant your Swiss chard in fertile, well-drained soil and watch it reward you with an abundance of colorful stalks and leaves. You can even harvest the baby leaves for salads, adding a pop of color and a burst of flavor. Chapter 5. Finally, we have arugula, the speedy sprinter of the salad world. This peppery green adds a delightful bite to any dish and grows like a weed in cool, shady conditions. Seriously, you can practically turn your back for 5 minutes and come back to find it's doubled in size. Plant your arugula in well-drained soil and give it a bit of shade during the hottest part of the day. You'll be rewarded with a continuous supply of fresh, peppery greens that will liven up your salads, pizzas, and pastas. So there you have it, you bunch of shade gardening skeptics. 5 fantastic veggies that will thrive in your shady garden spots. Now stop making excuses about your lack of sun and get out there and grow something delicious. Remember, if you can grow these in the shade, you can grow anything. And don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Now go on, get out of my kitchen.